Want to work from home without stress? In this video, I'm going to show you how. I'll share my top tips for working from home effectively, including how to create a routine, how to stay focused, and how to avoid burnout. If you want to learn how to work from home without stress, then this video is for you. First, it is important to establish a routine and stick to it as much as possible. This will help to add structure to your day and make you feel more in control, like set regular hours. Just because you are working from home doesn't mean you can work whenever you want. It's important to set regular hours and stick to them as much as possible. This will help you to stay on track and avoid burnout. How about a dedicated workspace? It's important to have a special area in your home that is just for work. This will help you stay focused and avoid getting distracted by all the things going on in your home. Make sure to take breaks throughout the day, even if it's just a few minutes. Step away from your work area and do something that will help you relax. This can be something as simple as reading a book, taking a walk, taking a quick nap, or listening to music. It is also important to stay connected with others, even if you can't physically be around them. Schedule regular check-ins with friends or family, or join an online community related to your interests. Finally, remember to give yourself some grace. Working from home can be challenging, and it's okay if things don't go perfectly all the time. It can be hard to avoid distraction at home because there's always something more attractive to do. Errands, laundry, gardening, trader, you name it. And those tips I share with you today are practical steps that you can take to create a more organized and relaxing environment for yourself. If you are able to apply these practices while working from home, you'll likely see a noticeable difference in your stress level, productivity, and overall well-being. Guys, if this video was helpful, please give a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're aware whenever I release a video. Thank you very much.